Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to install a blow-off valve onto my cold pipes, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So I got an Amazon blow-off valve. It did come with a flange that's V-band, so I'm stoked about that. So I'm gonna attach this V-band to the blow-off valve and then see what it's gonna be for fitment, where I can get this thing on. And you obviously want it as close to the throttle body as possible so you can keep boosting the pipes and you don't hurt your throttle body. So I'm thinking it's gonna go in here somewhere. I think what I'm gonna do is mount it right there. It's very close to the vacuum line, and that's what you want for a blow-off valve, so it has quick action. So as soon as you let the throttle off, it gets let know because it's got this vacuum line that's going to the vacuum intake, and it will open this up and then get the pressure out, and that's exactly what you need. So I'm gonna mark this, take it off, hole saw that out, and then weld it on. I just hole sawed this out and it fits real good over top. I'm really impressed with that. So what I'm gonna do is just sand so there's no burrs, and then I can weld this on. I'm gonna TIG weld it. Sweet, so what I'm gonna do here is I've just got it tacked. So I'm going to put this in place where it would have been if the couplers were on, and then I'm gonna see if this is gonna work for me. All right, it's all tacked in and it's looking like it's gonna work. I'm double checking just because I don't want to ruin this pipe that I made. It looks pretty good. I have these videos on my YouTube as well, so go check those out. And I'm just gonna finish welding this up, and then I can move forward with doing the vacuum lines, and I'll show you how to do that too. All right, so this is the spot where my blow-off valve is going right here. So I'm going to tap in to one of the vacuum lines right here. So I'm gonna cut it, add a T, and then go to a larger hose that is going to go to this nipple onto it. It's also optional which direction you have it. So I haven't tightened it fully yet because I wanna have that option. So I'm gonna get right to it. So my factory vacuum lines are much smaller than what is desired on the blow-off valve. So I had to tee off, get into there with a small vacuum line, and then I went to a large one because the large nipple is on the blow-off valve. So I'm gonna have to just cut this when I install it and then put it on and zip tie it. So I'm gonna throw in a couple more zip ties, and then this is done, and then I can install it and then hook it up. So all I gotta do is just cut this vacuum line, get it on there, tighten that guy up. So it's gonna be very, very simple. Just gotta get some vice grips, cut on, then the position I want it in, tighten this up, done. So this is it. Very easy setup other than welding it on. It's just a vacuum line and you're good to go. All right, that's it for this episode. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.